shit was fun. He's right here in front of me. Let me see if I can get a roll with him. Just cars in the way, that's the only problem. Yeah, there ain't no way I'm gonna beat him in a dig, that's for sure. Fuck that. That shit's fast as fuck, yo.
How much you put it down?
It's 415 the last time I tuned it.
Sounds good, man.
I gotta fucking tune it again though.
Boy got a K turbo, no touch.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get a GTR. That'll be my next shit, but I'm messing around with the G.
That's why I'm bringing.
Yeah, I hear you, man. Damn, that's just crazy. I'm trying to find a race, and this is what I run into. That's fucking crazy. I'm about to just do a third gear pull. Fuck it. Woo-hoo-hoo! You know how to show off a little bit, you know. I was literally at a full tank before we started driving. That's boost for you. I like to swallow gas. It's crazy. You know what, guys? I'm actually okay with that. You know, I did want to find some runs, but I'm okay with that GTR. That kind of made my night a little bit. You know, even though I took a L. Well, you know, again, it's a GTR. Come on. But you know, he did all right. He's good. He's good. I really want to do all-wheel drive on the bubble, man. Once I go all-wheel drive, then it's going to be a different story. But I'm going to just finish this video up for now. I'm just letting Goliath cool off a little bit. Hopefully next time around we can run into different cars. Something maybe a little closer to my league, but you never know. So I appreciate everybody watching. Catch you guys on the next.